Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. So later this week, AMD is releasing the brand new Ryzen 2000 series CPUs, so we thought we'd show you one of the best X470 motherboards that are specifically designed to take advantage of these new 12nm beasts. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button right now and turn on that little bell to receive notifications. We upload multiple times per week, so yeah, make sure you're subscribed. In this video, we're going to give you a hands-on first look at ASRock's flagship X470 motherboard that supports these upcoming Ryzen 2000 series CPUs, the ASRock X470 Taichi. This video is brought to you by ASRock and the brand new X470 Taichi. It's rocking addressable RGB headers, 10 gigabit Ethernet on board, dual NVMe M.2 slots, and support for AMD's brand new 2000 series Ryzen CPUs. Find out more in the link in the description. I guess that ad spot makes a lot more sense now. Since this board isn't out in the wild just yet, we can't talk about its availability or pricing because we're not sure. Also, I wanted to mention this board is a review sample, so it may slightly differ from the version that will be available on shelves in the next few weeks or so. Finally, we're not giving any benchmarking numbers or Ryzen 2000 specific numbers out because we're under embargo just like everyone else. So don't ask. With all of that said, let's take a closer look at the X470 Taichi. We just wanted to give a huge shout out and thanks to ASRock for supporting our channel and giving us this exclusive look at this awesome new motherboard. We also have 2 builds coming starting from next week that will be using this beast, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on to see them when they drop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and also turn on notifications. I think I just said that. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do and tell us what you didn't like about it. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Don't ask about Ryzen 2000 stuff, it's not happening. I'm not gonna give any information just yet. Anyways, once again, thanks so very much for watching. I'm Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. We're gonna go play with this board now.